Like, okay, you might not have a crush on her, but man, you know, still I would see lo ula. I wanna after
That one.
hey,
That one.
this one.
Yeah. She's in love with me. Yeah, best friends on Jela London.
Now wait, Easter guys.
Beautiful eyes though.
Thank you. Yeah, at least
yeah, this time.
Yeah, truth or day.
Okay.
Cause it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand, but I still need love cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go to plan. I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you stay with me? Cause you're all I need.
Dana ya
Ciao, Fede, my name is Mrando Purko, Stone Promoter Zamantara, the Common Simtandidi, and I want to call me Simtandidi. Say, I'm with
Mrs. 182, Mrs. Face Cut Never Declines. If you don't know me, I bet now you know me.
Shit. First, they will never decline. Boy, say it's not a normal one. This one is not a face. I decline for now. What say by short work. Okay, today we're playing Truth or Dare. We're gonna read questions. You know, I'm gonna go and read question rara, and you're gonna sizobuzana imibuzo. Truth or Dare. If you're new to the channel, can you please kindly subscribe? You know, can you please kindly do that, boys? Share the video, boys. Can you go and follow the boy? Follow her right here, boy. Miss Wood, Sky Chula. Why should be Sakaba? Why should be Sakaba? Okay, let's. I hope this shit is recording. Yeah, it does record. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna start. Truth or Dare?
Truth.
Okay, there's question, boys. I have to just find something interesting.
Yeah, we did. You my amazing.
I'm not a bad guy. Okay, give my favorite trash your hair.
Favorite crush.
Yeah.
My favorite crush. Well, I don't have a crush, ne? But I've once had a crush on someone.
Who's that? We want an
Powers. I'm not gonna lie, Sean Powers.
Sean Bowers.
Yeah.
Sean Bowers. Sean Bauer. I'm very well literally. Now, if you're talking about trash, Lulu, I once had,
so no.
Yeah, I just wanna look like Sean Prash. What is his name? Sean Prash. Yeah, Sean Prash. Okay, yeah. Take the question for me. I
Truth or Dare?
Dare. Skip it. Dare, rara. Stay.
Ngizothini vele bathi try to lick your elbow.
Yeah. I fofunenye intanaka. They don't understand me.
Nah, bra. Yeah, I weird very true. Ngithi nami ngibuze ngecrush. Ngibuze ngecrush.
Okay, if I'm not doing remember, if I don't want to do that there, you have to choose that there I have to do.
Oh, mara. Okay.
You choosing, I have to do that there. If I don't want to do this there, okay, guys, this is Truth or Dare. There's not, I ignore as we pose about faith. If you don't want to do it there, I have to choose which there.
Okay, dance with no music for 1 minute. Tell him jive. Yo. Ay. Look at me.
Hurry up. Why? One more. I'm dance. Hurry up. Okay, Truth or Dare is my turn, ma. Truth or Dare?
Truth, shame.
Truth. Okay, this is your last truth. You can't say truth. You have to truth there. If you said truth, next time you said there. Okay. Oh my God. Getting all dealing. Embarrassing ngayo ongayiqhenyi ngayo. Something you be like, that one. That one. Something you really impressed about.
You are busy like nomunye umuntu while bengijola, you know.
Bwenzani?
Ukuba busy nomunye umuntu while bengijola.
So bufebe, that's different say.
Say it's ubufebe, you know, like let's say nginawe no ne. Nginyamalale and then go be busy with someone then ngibuye kuwe and act like nothing has happened.
Whoa.
Hey, Banina.
Oh. Then let's take it back. You're trying to say it to me right now.
Hey,
We're chilling
Banina.
right now. Then you'll be like,
Ngumuntu wami, ne?
Yeah.
We're chilling right now.
Yeah, ngumuntu
Then
wami.
I'll be like, baby, like, I'm coming
did
back.
you hear that, boys?
You know?
Yo, boys, did you hear that part? Yeah,
And I'll
as
be
your
like,
boyfriend.
baby, I'm coming back, you know?
Yeah,
then
baby.
mangithi, I'm coming back. And then mina ngihambe nomuntu like, oh, vele, dala vele, you know?
Oh, like we're chilling right now. Then you be like, I'm coming back, you kaka. Then you cha.
And then I come back and then act like nothing has happened. And so,
How do you feel?
Are you surprised?
Nah.
Are you? Why is that so? Why is that so mind blowing?
Okay. Wow. Okay.
and trust me, I've never felt good tonight. I was like,
You didn't feel the need, right?
I mean, ngiyakhuluma bafethu. Nah, don't get me otherwise. Mara ngiyiva.
Hands, Boise. All I'm saying, Boise, just if you're doing it nice right now, keep doing that, Boise. Okay. Forget about these hands, Boise. You're gonna waste your time. You know? That's what I'm saying to you, Boise. I'm still a virgin, by the way. I'm still a virgin, by the way. That's why I don't like hands. Okay.
Okay, truth or dare?
There.
Truth, yeah.
Truth.
Let's see. Okay, what's the worst date you've ever been on?
Date. Then I'm at the, when it comes to date, I'm not a date person, you know. Yeah. When I take you on a date, just know I really fuck with you. You know. So yeah.
Okay.
So I don't have a bad one. I don't have a bad one. Because I think I can count my dates like this, you know.
Okay, yeah, I get you.
Yeah, I'm not a date. If I
Same
take
shit, yes.
same shit, right? You don't do dates. Can I take you on a date?
I do dates.
Can I take you on a date?
Oh, it's in J. I do dates. Mabuya ngokuthi ngihamba nobani.
Okay, can I take you on a
And
date to Hamba now?
Singahamba siyokhupha, I date.
Why?
Okay.
Why? I'm not a groupie. I don't drink.
Angithi like obviously. Ufuna ukufana naye. So mina
it's
like
not, I don't just wanna
suggest
go with
ukuthi
you. I wanna
babe,
spend time with you.
you wanna spend time
Yeah,
with
on a group.
then
you know,
sizobloma la endlini fethu.
that's boring date. It's a date, but
Nayo I call it a date. Siyabloma. Siyadla music, siyaringa. It's a date.
it's a date. But I just want a romantic date, you know. When you're gonna take you out with your favorite place, and yeah, just for 5 minutes, yeah. Then you go home, boys. Okay, I know it's not gonna be 5 minutes. I'm just scamming you with that.
Yeah, understand, ne?
Yeah.
But she dating mntwana awuyenzi nje.
Aw, akubona bangishape esandla. Okay, ngizomakwenzakalani? Can you explain what is a date? Why you hamba nomuntu dating or how you could do that?
Mina obvious, I don't just go with anyone, but I go with people who are fuck with. Understand?
Okay, you're trying to say you don't fuck with me, boys.
I'm not saying I don't fuck
What are you
with
saying?
But like we can do something.
What are you saying?
Understand? We can do something like besides date nan.
Something like what?
Okay, angikabi.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Yo.
Okay, I feel like she have an idea, you understand. So maybe we're gonna work based to her idea. Okay, question for me. You mabuza when? Truth or dare? You said dare for now. You said dare now. I don't wanna take it easy for you. I don't care.
Go easy on me, baba.
Bafowethu angisela amaningi enginalo nje lithi othi mnike nomkhonto angikwaza.
Okay, I don't have
Okay, yeah, it's a
tune.
anything.
Key tune. I dare you to tell us who's your boyfriend right now.
China uyazazi.
Mention it. Can you just mention
Baby,
the name?
You know yourself.
No, you know where the danger is. You know where the danger is.
Mbatshele laba bafuna ukwazi. Uyazazi. Umuntu wami uyazazi.
Just can you one more? You don't want to do that there. Can you just mention his name? Okay, I have to tell you something you have to do.
Yeah, they yenze enye into.
You have to do. You have to do this one. Okay, you have to do this one. Okay.
Khuzile isaqala ukuthi pheka. Manje niyazazi.
Okay.
Umuntu wami uyazazi.
Come on, bro. Okay, guys. Okay, just I'm gonna take that one. Give me. It's a 10.
Uyazazi, truth or dare?
There.
Mangala wantwana ayi.
You can create yours. Yeah, just.
I can create mine.
Yeah, you can.
Ngizothini vele mina?
Anything.
Yeah, awusitshela ukuthi like no ne. Ubani ombheke la?
You? You?
I'm
telling me.
Ubani ombhekela like okay, you might not have a crush on her, but man, ilo usitshela ukuthi lo ula yabona after
That one. That one.
This one.
Yeah.
Yabona bathini? Yamyeka.
Nigga, I guess you have to shoot. Shoot the shoot.
Athunye. Satsare ke sithu.
Yeah, two. Yeah, you no. You. Yeah, you.
Okay.
Maybe next content we're gonna say couple content. You never know.
It's clear to see, but darling.
No sapho madam. Ngide mjita make with friends ola ka sapho bona ukuthanda ntwana yabo. I'm just trying to confess.
Ntwana yami mina bayacaba. Mina guys mina uzongishela uzobe intwana yami.
Not me. That's the deal.
Ngangishela for 5 years. Manje ngakufuni uzobe intwana yami ngenkani.
That's the difference.
Babuzi baningi ne bazokutshela la. Bafethu ngiyacaba nani. Abo maqala bami. I think 90% yabo bakushelile ekhaya bebangifuna until baze bakhathala no abo maqala bayaqala
yeah ngokuthi ubani mama mina that's the thing angizokushela mina
besides ukushela yeah obvious hayi ukuthi uzokushela maka
ngizokufuna
ngiyabaqaba mina amajidi ukuthi mabafuna intombazana bayenza kanjani.
Okay, do you think you're
bamdonsa kanjani?
Do you think you're
I don't know bra lapho.
That's the thing. That's the thing.
Bheka wabona lapho lapho uyiwani yakho.
Okay, 10 gabat. Yeah, I'm asking the question. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Okay.
Hayi amadewa kwanzima bafuyo.
Yeah. What about in love? Someone you be like, I really fuck with that person. That
Yeah.
what happened? Kunzakali. Walilna.
Okay.
What's good ya hali?
Actually, I'm in love right now. Hi, which have you ever been? I'm in love.
You're in love right now. Wow, that's nice. What's
I'm in love.
With your boyfriend?
I'm in love.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, guys. She's in love with me. Yeah. Best friends on Jella today. I don't think you have to put Ntwana out there. You can just leave it like that, Poison. Just say, hey, Poison. Just say, Nam Yang Ngan. You don't need, hey, the Ntwana. I don't think we need to put that Ntwana right.
Why?
Nice. Come on, that nigga. I don't really fuck with Ntwana.
Why?
I'll let you to it.
Yeah. So nami yakanga boy since I couldn't meet
don't call me a boy. Okay.
It's my turn, I guess. Yeah, truth or dare. Hey, I know. Nabayazi. Mbatonsa ngaso.
I speak the player. Just okay, thank you, boys. Thank you, boys. Just say thank you. Then we fucking fight.
Yo, okay. What's your biggest insecurity?
Biggest. Biggest. I don't know. I don't think I have.
You don't think you have, ne? You fuck with yourself, ne?
I really do that. It used to be my head, though. It used to be. until I realize my head is the reason I'm simtandile.
Ne? Exactly. Oh, it's your turn.
That's my truth of that, mom.
Truth. I mean, I want to make
Truth.
Yar.
Shit. Yini into wake wayenza. You know you lied to get maybe, let's say we're chilling right now and it's be like, oh my god, you can't. Something you lied just to go away or just to marry someone.
Just to marry someone.
Yeah, or maybe you're chilling with someone or maybe right now I'm chilling with you and I think
normally I don't chill with people who I don't fuck with. I'm heavy on fuck with. I hope
let's say
so it's in jail.
So man.
Ngisakhuluma.
Oh, listen.
Yabo, I normally don't angihlali nabantu ngiyacaba ukuthi angimancane. But there was this one guy ungike ngabo.
Yeah.
Bengidlala naye, you know.
So you do dlala sometimes. You do
dlala sometimes. Mara no angithi ngiserious.
Yeah. Now you have a boyfriend now. She's serious, guys, right now. We're dating. Right, boys?
Sure.
Hey, man, no.
So
shit. I shoot the shooter, but the shooter is not shooting.
Hey, you're not shooting anything. Ngisakhuluma.
Sorry.
Ngisakhuluma yabo. So yeah, uguys like bengidlala naye yabo, and then one day he decided ukuthi ngibooke i-guest house, Siplome guest house. So mina obviously I already know ukuthi ufunani.
Nah, you knew it, but you just
might. I just might ngathi thingi. Then I went there, vele, we had food sadla vele, we bought drinks. So he just like kept insisting ukuthi phuza. Yena ucabanga ukuthi ngizotakwa in order bese Kataka ukuthi yabona the more mina ngitakiwe ku the more like ngiba
analyze.
Ke mina ngiyaziphuzela mina fede yena aphuza kanti kuzotakwa yena.
Manje sayitakiwe okatako we.
Yabo. And istory sama ngifike lapha I just told him ukuthi yazini I need to be at home by 7 o'clock. That's
a scam, by the way.
It's scam. I need to be at home by 7 o'clock. So and amagathi ukuthi ba busy. Ngiyathola ngamama ngesixoxo ngikhuluma kakhulu ngithi vele nami mama ngesixoxo vele abe interested and ngibheka isikhathi mangithi vele ithi 5 to 7 I was like yo la qala vele athi I was like ichayile let me board and then ngiye ekhaya. You know, and vele bese ngithipe ubani umntana kithi ukuthi ungifonele ngesikhathi esona so and be like papa wobakhe. You know, that's what I did.
Hey, Nina, what about scam of outside? They're scamming you guys. Let me give you the nigga, let me just I'm still a virgin, I don't do it. Still a virgin, I don't do this. If you book boys in, don't waste no time. Alcohol after boys. Hey, we eat after boys. For now, let's chow it. Let's chow it upon that. We're gonna see after bolting, Uber Eats, impressing someone.
After
you see the movies, the way they enter to the hotel, the
thing is they be like it's him impressed kala.
I don't think I have time to impress someone though.
Well, yangithola ukuthi him impressed kala athi think tune sona so kanti uyalahla after sithola lento esifunayo be like
bye.
So sure. Yo, but I'm not that kind of girl. Don't
nah, she changed though. She used to be, not anymore. Okay, it's your turn.
She said I know the game.
You can play the
but
game.
Now like you chilled. Nyabon. Easter guys.
You have beautiful eyes though.
Thank you. Nyabon. At least
yeah, this time.
Yeah, truth or day.
Yeah,
there. Yo, ngizotini mini. Ngizotini.
Anything. What do you wanna say?
Ugewa like have you ever ngizotini? Wayenza like something that you know ukuthi ngizotini man like uzama impressa like umuntu by doing something that you know ukuthi akusi like lento like ojwayele ukuyenza akusuwe. I don't know if you get me. Yeah, this is not me, but I'm just trying to impress ukuthi nami ngikwazi
no iplan bengasoku that time I was really into that hand, you know. So yeah, I just tried. I know I was not that guy, dog. That time I was not that guy. You know, that time I was still a farmer boy from Mahai, you know. Yeah, so now I'm in Joburg. Joburg is hard, boys. That's what I can say. Yeah, now I see a different, now I see a hand that I'm dreaming for, boy. I was like, shit. And I can see that I have a chance, you know. So I was like, shit. Now I did some stupid things. I bought flowers, boys. You see that big no doll? You see that big no doll? Yeah, boys. And then now it's a start, boys. I know those things they do it, but you sometimes don't overdo it. You're gonna be a red flag.
Lasibona khona ukuthi lo hayi.
Yeah, so now I become a red flag now because now sengikhuluma lama picnic I watch the movies now.
Nkosi yami.
Romantic picnic.
Yazi like into yini ne?
Yeah.
Stop watching romantic movies. Nizophupha.
Yeah, that.
Nizophupha. Nizophupha.
So I think that one, boys, just to impress someone. That time I didn't have any focus, so I have to sacrifice a lot of things. Maybe even Gaima Limpasha, I used to be like shit, you know. I know, boys in court, boys in now. Now I give you if I wanna give you, boys in. I don't, you know. And me, since that time, I never tried to impress anyone. You see, even at Turego, I was going to buy J's. If I was trying to impress you, I was gonna go to buy J's to Adidas or something just to make you feel like I'm a good male, because I know I can afford to buy that jersey, but I'm not him. I'm not that nigga. You understand? I'm spending money. I'm counting. I have to. You understand? So yeah, come on, boy. I don't have time to impress someone right now.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't have it. I'm sorry, baby. I'm
just
sorry.
You,
yeah. Put that there, mama.
True.
Urunyaka ubua liqiniso.
I'm all about you.
Yeah. Do you ever have a sex in public? I don't think we need to lie. I don't think we need to lie.
I've never had.
Okay. Can I ask another question? What is your worst sex? So what happened? Something that...
Yo. Well, angeke ngikhuluma amagama.
Yeah, I don't mention names.
Yes.
You have beautiful eyes, dog.
Thank you. Guys, really like best level. They called me over to music. Yabo. Shabele na minye vele. Yabo. Cause obviously if angimnika uzonika ubani ngithola Aisha. Yeah. Then mangiya vele I sharp then you had uyazi angithi before vele siqala lapha we must have that fake conversation yani 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Let's share that fake conversation for 2 minutes.
5 minutes nyana just to operate.
5 minutes nyana just to operate then vele started kissing nani. Yabona mina manje senyazonda ukuthi ngiqale mina ngifaka isandla emuntwini. Why? That day angithi nami ngithi yabo ngithi hayi thi ngidlale ngayo.
So you put your hands firstly that time.
Until so ngithi hayi thi nami uyangithola.
Yeah, I'm operative.
Yeah. Then he started shaking. Yabo. Uyatatazela ngithi maybe ama feelings.
Uya overheat.
Umuntu wachithe. And I was like, what? Ngizwa like isandla sami sesishisa ntwana. Then mangithi like Sarah before anything.
Now the game is over. No shit. Now the game is over now. Now the game is over now. Now the game is over now.
So mina maybe yazi ngicabanga ukuthi maybe beka busy before ngiza.
Nah, so let me tell you something, boys. that thing once happened to me first time having sex. Well, I think it was the first
like,
time.
Yeah, nah, it wasn't his first time. Saying actually like maybe
Or maybe she.
is no more.
Oh.
Yeah, nebegaz chuna. Then mina ngifike before
No, maybe.
because most ithi ngitshele abanye abafana most of them what like yazi bayenzani
Yeah.
before imedi iza. Angithi
whoa,
uyabona like him.
Okay. Talk.
Angithi like before imedi iza.
Yeah.
Before like I think like most of them mina ngikhuluma nabafana so bayangitshela ukuthi ntwana mina before imedi yami izwakala ngiyasichuna ngibe busy ukuthi ngicithe ukuthi angithi bathi like first round yadina ucitha fast nanani so ukuthi makafika avela gijima why so I feel like maybe yena bekathi uyazi
Nah,
They return out
but
ukuthi-
come on,
Angazi,
bro.
like that day,
I don't think ebechuna
I
leona
got
because if
ticked off, bro.
because if ebechuna ngamba wafika seyichithile, you know. But I think maybe he just get too excited, you know. Maybe it's the first time and he's being craving for you, you know. So you know when you be like,
But
being
I see
waited.
first time that day mina naye.
Oh, nah, I think
Understand?
maybe, okay.
So angazi that day
Yeah.
come in.
Yeah.
So,
But if it was the first time having you, I'm sure I was like, yo, nigga, hey.
yena
Hello.
bekumuntu vele ongikhumula ngamehlo. Ayena even ukuyabona uzama ukhaka umuntu nje ujoniseka kwatile uze na ukuthi hayi yabona lo. Yo.
Okay, let's ask Tunyana, then we're gonna close the video.
Yeah.
That's interesting too. Interesting too. This one I have to cook on this too. What is it?
Yeah, so
Have-
truth or dare?
There.
Dare. Mina ntwana mama dare anginawo.
Okay, truth, ma'am.
Truth ne. What's your biggest regret?
In what? According what? Anything?
Yeah, anything.
To not believe in me that time, I regret that.
To not believe in yourself.
Yeah, I lost a lot of things because I didn't believe in me. You know, I have opportunities, but I was like, I can't do it. I regret that.
Shit, yeah. Sonke siyadlula lapho.
Yeah, but right now, boy, I should.
Ne.
Yeah, right
Anoyishubile baba uqala.
now I'm kind of cool. It's crazy now. I'm kind of cool, boys. Nah, it's crazy now. I'm kind of cool, boys. I'm one of the coolest niggas. You know. Okay, truth or dare?
Truth mntwana mina mama.
Nah, okay, you're gonna say
Okay,
truth.
let me go for
then,
a dare.
Nah, last one.
This
The
time.
last. Okay, let's do a truth. Then I'm gonna ask you.
Last one's gonna be a dare.
Okay. Did you ever had threesome? Did you ever fuck a nigga here and go and fuck another nigga same day?
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
You know, you don't need to cry. It's okay. It's okay. I understand. You know, sometimes we do that.
Life. Yo, life. Ningangithondisi. Ngithondisa nami. Ah no, sengithondisa.
Okay.
Mara kabuwo ukusalami.
Yeah. Yeah, you once did that. How did you feel?
Mina benyikreni ntwana.
Okay, the first nigga didn't chow. The chow, like chowing. And then the second nigga did the job.
Bekuyilento ukuthi man quick things man. Thing is lo munye lo qala like bekangikwatisile. And I was like yazini fuck.
Hey, man, now.
Oh. How old are you, if you don't mind telling us?
Hayi leyo sichuma. Leyo mzani.
Okay,
Na
it's
25.
Okay, it's
Na
okay.
25.
It's okay.
Yeah, truth or dare.
Okay, let me say truth right now. I'm gonna say it there. I'm gonna, you know.
What's the most trouble you've been in?
Trouble. I'm not a bad guy.
No one say you big.
I'm not a
Mara,
bad
like
guy. You know, I had trouble. Like a big one. I once go to police station.
weird thing.
Was you know when something happened, I don't wanna mention this. I don't wanna mention what happened. You know when something happened and yeah, fuck us. They know you know something, but you don't wanna talk about it. Yeah. So I once go to police station because of that. You know, they'd be like, so yeah, I get that. Truth of there. Shit, yo, that's sad.
Relax, now we're easy.
Nah, I have to kill you.
Yeah.
I have to kill you on this one. I dare you. Mention the birthday your boyfriend. If you don't wanna do that, there. If okay, now I'm giving you an option. If you don't wanna do it, there you gonna do what? So I have
What am I gonna do?
I have to make it harder. You know, I'm sure you don't wanna do it.
Even
I have to find something.
you know
that
where the
you
danger is.
Oh.
Maka na pe uyazi ukuthi uphethe.
Okay, yeah.
Uyazi.
You mentioned the date, birth, 2000 what? Or you kiss me here.
Mari 2000 ke
You
ngimention.
mentioned everything. even
What
the
if
name.
ngitshela no baba?
That's your boyfriend.
I 2000 ngimention. 20 May.
Shit. Name. It's by 20. But I'm from 20 May too. So you.
Utheng mention birthday name Jonas.
No, I said. I said name, date, month, 2000. So you mention everything, information. Ubanbani wakwabanbani ozalwa ngetonton or ozalwa you have to okay.
Some says baby.
Nah, you scam. You don't scam me. Okay. 2001. 2001.
I 2001 vele. Angikabi. Angikabi.
Shit.
20 May.
20 May. Okay. Okay, it's a 10. Ngiskemile mara.
In the truth ne?
Yeah,
Oh,
there.
there.
It says it there.
Okay, there. Yeah, mina ngifuna
Something you know is hard.
yeah, sitshela ukuthi umuntu wakho ubani. You wanna know and they know ukuthi wena usingile intwana yami ayikho le.
I'm single. If you can watch my videos, I can tell you. I'm single. I can't pick up my hand, bro. I can't pick her hair, bro. Niggas, I'm single.
Ntwana awusitsheli la.
Kimang can. Okay, kiwe. This is my hand.
Wait, wabona?
I'm telling you. Okay, boys. You saw my IG. You saw my everything. Kitulani ma.
Ungamfihla ngithi sometimes sifuna izinto ezi private.
Okay, right now. Okay. Right now, come on. I'm single. I'm single, boys. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, I'm single, boys.
I know.
I wish I could. Okay. Fuck. I don't have a heart, boys.
Bayapiga.
I don't have a heart. Why I will pick up someone? Why I will pick up someone?
Bayapiga. They are figuring you.
Why I will pick up
They are
someone?
figuring you.
You see now, if I'm mentioning any name, it's gonna seem like this person I'm calling I'm pick a color. Then I was.
Uzo understand ngithi ukuthi wena uyasaba ukuthi yabona nomuntu wami wherever like
wanna mphika umuntu wakho.
Angimphikanga.
Okay, mention it, Kamala.
Ngimphika uyazazi umuntu wami. Baby, you know it.
Okay, my baby, umuntu wami uyazazi. No umuntu uyazazi that.
Thing is it ebuhlungu there.
Yeah.
Umeshi. Perfect profession. Okay.
Okay.
Katulo wakhe.
Oh, the problem we don't want to mention people, guys, because I'm gonna mention you, and you have your own. Yeah, yo, uyazazi boys. Bayazazi, hey, niggas.
And I yazi ukuthi ngikuthanda kanjani.
Ngiyakuthanda sithanda sami. We love each other. But uyazazi bokujula nobani ngithe.
Uyazazi ukuthi wena ubani.
Uyazazi
uthando wakho.
Uthandile wakho boys. Baleli phone mfana kiwena ngithori wena. Okay, yeah, by the way, let's close the video right now.
Yeah.
By the way, you didn't smell good. Can you smell me?
I don't know what if I need to Oh, what if I don't want to say? Ngizwile you smell good. Isibona kabi ngizokutshela ngithi ukuthi boy ish. Kenya Tlala boy you smell good by the way.
Do something.
Smell good mfana. Ungamonati.
I bought a new perfume, boys.
Serious.
That's why I'm.
By the way, mina nginama sinus ntwana yami. I've got sinuses, so sometimes kuba nzima ukuthi ngizwe something. Ngiba blocked.
So, shoot me. I bought a new perfume, boys. There's a cooler fitting. I was like, yo, my friend, 2 perfumes with 100 rand. I like 2 perfumes with 100 rand. They be like, yes. I was like, oh, come on, boys.
That is why ngayizwi ke ngoba.
Now smell it, dog. Smell it. You tell it now somewhere.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition.
Scam!
Waphela umshado wakithi. Oh Nkosi yami. Waphela umshado. Waphela umshado.
If you enjoyed this video, boy, can you please kindly like the video?
Hey.
Subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Please kindly like the video.
Obvious, there no way.
If you want more of her, boys, then subscribe.
Nikhomente lapho nikhulume ningasabi nibatshele ukuthi sifuna umisuthi.
If you want Mrs. Wood, I'm gonna have to bring her again, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy to do a video with you, boys. It's not.
Sure,
You're fun, you're funny. Stop this toy, yo, boys. I understand I'm in a friend zone, but stop putting me in the friend zone like that, boys. It's okay. It's okay. Just say thank you.
Fede, mara like angithi mina ngithanda uku-addressa.
It's okay. They know. They know I'm in the friend zone, boy. They know that. They know I'm in the friend zone. Fuck shit. You don't need to put it like that, boy. Sometimes you just need to be like, okay, thank you. It's okay.
Okay, thank you.
One love.
Mara nomuntu omyakaba yazi boy, angikwazi ukuthi baby nyabonga. Mara yabona uyakaba ukuthi ngiyamthaphe. Kunini ngimention asithanda sami. Kunini ngithi ngidam.
Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, man. One love. Yeesh.
I'm a well look at it like you're innocent. 24, I'm a main. Sure.